Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, open Chrome and make sure it's updated so DevTools has all features. Right-click anywhere and choose Inspect, or press Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows/Linux, CMD-Option-I on Mac OS. Once done, make sure the panel is docked where you prefer, side or bottom, because layout affects how you inspect DOM and network. Switch to Sources to begin setting breakpoints, or use Elements to inspect live HTML and styles. This immediate setup now that DevTools is open, move into the Sources tab and find the JavaScript file you want to debug in the left file tree. Click a line number to set a breakpoint. Right-click a breakpoint to add a condition so it only pauses when your expression is true. Once paused, you inspect the call stack, scope variables, and add expressions to watch to see values change. Make sure to use step over, step into, and step out to control execution and understand how the code flows. Finish debugging by resuming execution with the play button or F8, then remove or toggle breakpoints so normal execution resumes. Make use of the console to run small test snippets and confirm fixes, because seeing live output speeds verification. If your changes don't appear, perform a hard refresh or disable cache and network to ensure Chrome loads the newest files. If DevTools won't open, check keyboard shortcuts, extensions that may block it, or relaunch Chrome. Those steps usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.